This tutorial guides you through signing up and using jeskieinc.com effectively. You will learn how to create an account, add funds, place orders, and manage your services step by step. For you to use this website, you have to come here to this main page. Click on the Google button, Google Login, or sign up for first-time users. Click Sign Up/Login with Google to proceed. After clicking on it, it will take you to this homepage where we have all the orders info, about account, balances, and side menu on the left. So the next thing is to make sure you have a balance. As you can see right here, you have to ensure you have enough balance for what you want to order. Click Add Funds to add money to your account. You go to the Add Funds page right there. Click M-PESA or Binance Automatic USDT to choose your payment method. Yeah, and for now we have two payment methods. We have M-PESA and Binance Automatic USDT. And here we also have on the right, we have the information about payments. So adding funds with M-PESA is really easy. You don't have to do it manually. You just input here, amount. After inputting the amount and phone number, you go down below and click this final button here, and you'll get a prompt on your M-PESA number. And you have to complete it by entering your M-PESA PIN to finalize the transaction. After adding the amount, let's say it's even 100 on our platform. You can add any amount from 1 up to whichever you want, but we only have a bonus for those adding any amount above. 1,000 shillings will always see a bonus. Now let's go back to the new order page. And on this new order page, you click on this category here. This category section is where you will see all the many services we have here. The reason we have different services is because of quality and speed. Services vary in speed. Slow ones have low quality, while high-quality ones feature 100% real profiles and accounts. So for example, here we have the first one here saying Instagram, followers, and all those details about it. Read the description for each service. We specify the required link type, e.g. Instagram follow. We always require an Instagram username, or you can copy the profile link. Average time is the duration to complete an order, calculated from previous or recent orders by others. Click link to input anything like your username or link. For quantity, it should be how many likes, views, or followers you want. So then, let's say if you put 10,000. The charge is always automatically calculated here, so always make sure you have the amount shown in the charge section below. For example, here, 10,000 followers will cost 1,200 shillings, and that's it. You proceed with clicking New Order button here, and then after that, click Orders. You always come here to see the order progress. Some will be canceled, others completed. The recent one will show pending or in progress for a few minutes to 24 hours, depending on the number of orders. It's simple. We have this refill button. It works after 24 hours. It is always active. Click it if active when followers or like dropped. They may decrease due to app updates. We can't control it. That's why we created this refill button. In such cases, if it doesn't work, you'll always click on it to contact the admin through the socials like WhatsApp, and you'll be helped. So it's as simple as that. You have successfully signed up and learned how to add funds, place orders, monitor progress, and use the refill feature on Jeski Inc. For further assistance, contact support through the provided social channels.